Well, check this out for weather. Thought I'd do another little walk and talk to the post office, as it's only a few items from last night, and I'm doing a live tonight on eBay, so I wanted to get them out of the way instead of kind of like cross-pollination, if that's the correct word. I do like to post every day, helps. But what's been going on in Zanderland? Loads of stuff really. I don't want to talk about eBay Live too much because I've had a week off and we're advised not to do that. But it was my dad's birthday last week and went to see 2 bands in 1 week. Had stuff going on with Eloise, which was nice. Loads of horsey things. And yeah, I feel like at the moment eBay Live aren't pushing to real customers. It's mostly just resellers. So there's no need at the moment to be as consistent as they're kind of making out you should be. Gonna get run over. But as far as Zanderland is concerned, stuff's going really well. Sorry about the noise. This part of the walk is pretty noisy. We're on the main road. I'm taking a few risks this year. Sales are up and there's a few wholesalers that I've been using for a very, very long time. I'm talking like 13 years or so. And their prices are creeping up little bit by little bit, which is annoying because I've got what I thought was very, very good relationships with them. But I suppose costs go up and it's just part of business. So instead of them having the monopoly of my spend, I have decided to start taking chances with some other suppliers. And I've got my first delivery from one person I've never used before on its way right now, so I'm really excited about that. I've done a handpick, a video handpick. I'm going to do a video on what we kind of get delivered. And going forward, I really do think that the quality of the stuff I'm going to get from them, same as all my usual brands, I do think it's going to be amazing for the company, our business. So yeah, that's going well. What else is going well? Jamie's doing sometimes 2, 3 and 4 days now in the cabin with me, which is so nice. It's great working with your friends. I'd recommend it to everybody. He will never let me down, works really hard, and he's not scared to say, "You're a plonker," which is sometimes what you need, instead of just having someone that's agreeable and doing exactly as they're told all the time. Jamie will say, "I wouldn't do that way, stop being an idiot," all those type of things, and I appreciate it. We've listed for the first time ever 99% of the stock that we've got in that cabin. There's very little to list now. Well, everything is photographed. Now we've got to list it. I think there's about 150 items, and then after those 150 items, and we're doing about 30 a day by the way, there's nothing to do. There's literally nothing to sell, nothing to list. For the first time ever, I will have to source. I won't have a kind of like a death pile. I've been doing this, like I say, for a long time, since 1998. I've never been in that position. I've always had like rucks and rucks and rucks of stock that's unlisted. So it's lovely to be finally in the position. We're going to be hovering around a 1500 store across all platforms. Yeah, I'm hoping that if I get my pricing right, we can eventually increase. My dream would be 20 sales per day. List 30, sell 20. I know that's easier said than done. My ASPs are up a little bit as well. So yeah, I suppose the next challenge will be focusing on the physical shop, because admittedly during January and February it's been quite considerably down. It's Wednesday today, and Andy's working at the shop today. He does every Wednesday, and I do Saturdays. We're a market town, so we don't need to open every day. We just open on the days where the market's really busy. So I'm hoping the shop increases. The other thing I wanted to talk about a little bit is AI. So I regularly get people asking me if I want to trial AI software. I trialed another 2 last week. I've used loads and I've kind of come to the decision with it all. I don't need AI. What I mean by that is I kind of list the same things over and over and over again. Because I use cross-list and I love cross-list, it's easy for me to kind of, if I've got a pair of, say, 502 jeans in a 34-inch waist, I can just search that on my cross-list history and sell similar. I don't think AI is going to be much as much benefit to me. So yeah, I don't think it's really for me. I think AI tool is for people who are struggling to find out what things are exactly. And you know, I haven't put item specifics on listings for over a year. I don't bother. And they sell just great. So I don't think there's any need to do that really. I think it's just another one of those problems that eBay create that you don't really have to worry about. So yeah, loads of change, I suppose, within the company. I've started wholesaling again, which is interesting. A couple of people reached out from eBay Live saying, I really like your stock, could we do some private selling? Which was kind of like music to my ears, because although I don't like prep an eBay Live show, I'd rather sell 20 jumpers to one person than sell them individually on a live and then have to pack them. So if you are looking for wholesale stock, it's not curated, it's just what I've got available. But if you are looking for stock and you know me, hopefully you guys can trust me by now, send me a message. There's deals to be done. And I only sell stuff that's fair, so you can make loads of profit, just as much as me. But yeah, I mean, other than that, I suppose this job anyway is mostly rinse and repeat. There's no need to kind of like, nothing really massive is changing. It's just about doing the same thing over and over, isn't it? But yeah, other than that, it's kind of the same every single week right now. Rinse and repeat. I'll fill you on in about a week's time. If there's any major changes, I'll let you know. But we're just about getting to the shop. So I'll see you very soon. Chat a load more nonsense. Thanks a lot.